Hello everybody, a very happy good morning. I'm Professor Hamdani Rizwana, teaching in Arts, Commerce and Science College, Malegaon City. And today we'll study elasticity of demand, price elasticity of demand and types of price elasticity of demand. But before we understand the meaning of elasticity of demand, let's recall law of demand. The law of demand states, other things remaining the same, a rise in the price of a commodity leads to contraction of demand for it, and a fall in the price leads to expansion of demand for it. So the law of demand only says that when price falls, demand increases, and when price rises, demand falls. It doesn't say anything about how much the demand will change due to a change in price. It doesn't say anything the accurate rate and the percentage change in demand due to a change in price. It may happen that price rises by 20%. Law of demand says that demand will fall. But the fact is that due to rise in price, demand may fall more than 20%, less than 20%, there will be no change in demand. There may be infinite change in demand or equal to change in demand. So the concept of elasticity explains the accurate or the perfect or percentage change in quantity demanded due to a change in price or any other determinants of the demand. Professor Alfred Marshall, a well-known economist, presented the concept of elasticity of demand. Elasticity measures the extent to which demand will change, or in other words, elasticity of demand refers to the responsiveness of quantity demanded. Responsiveness means sensitiveness. Responsiveness means reaction of. क्या रिएक्शन है डिमांड का टू ए चेंज इन इट्स प्राइस, इनकम एंड प्राइस ऑफ रिलेटेड गुड्स. और इन अदर वर्ड्स, elasticity of demand means percentage change in quantity demanded to a percentage change in one of the determinants of demand. And as such, there are as many elasticities of demand as the determinants of the demand, but here we will study the three most important kinds of elasticities of demand, that is price elasticity of demand, income elasticity of demand and cross elasticity of demand. First of all, we'll understand the meaning of price elasticity of demand. Price elasticity of demand is usually referred as elasticity of demand. It means that अगर elasticity of demand लिखा है without any initial, it means that it is a price elasticity of demand. So price elasticity of demand is also called as elasticity of demand. Professor Lipset defines price elasticity of demand as the degree of means the percentage of, responsiveness means reaction of, रद्द अमल क्या है क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड का, टू ए चेंज इन प्राइस के चेंज होने से, अदर थिंग्स रिमेनिंग द सेम. Other things remaining the same means except the price, all the determinants of the demand, all the factors affecting on demand remaining constant. And price elasticity measures the percentage change in quantity demanded to a percentage change in price, and mathematically we may express it the ratio of percentage change in demand to a percentage change in its price, other things remaining the same. We may calculate it mathematically or symbolically, percentage change in quantity demanded by delta D means change in demand upon D means original demand into 100. So delta D upon D into 100 means percentage change in quantity demanded divided by Delta P means change in price upon P. P means price into original price into 100. 100 will cut. So price elasticity of demand will be delta D upon D whole upon delta P upon P. So price elasticity of demand is equal to delta D upon delta P into P upon D. There are five types of price elasticity of demand. Number one, perfectly inelastic demand. It means price elasticity of demand is zero. Relatively inelastic demand. It means that price elasticity of demand is less than 1. Unitary elastic demand. It means that price elasticity of demand is equal to 1. Relatively elastic demand. It means price elasticity of demand is greater than 1. Perfectly elastic demand, it means infinite price elasticity of demand. Let's understand one by one. First of all, we'll understand the concept and meaning of perfectly inelastic demand. Perfectly inelastic demand means price elasticity of demand is zero. So when whatever is the change in price, the demand remains the same. Price elasticity of demand will be zero. For example, if price falls by 20%, demand will remain constant. If price rises by 20%, there will be no change in demand. It means that if price changes means increases or decreases, there will be no change in demand at all. Demand will remain constant. For example, अगर हम सॉल्ट का एक पैकेट, अगर हमारा वीकली डिमांड है या मंथली डिमांड है, तो हम एक पैकेट ही खरीदेंगे, चाहे सॉल्ट की प्राइस बढ़ गई चाहे सॉल्ट की प्राइस गिर गई। और कोई देखता भी नहीं कि सॉल्ट की प्राइस गिर गई है कि बढ़ गई है। लोगों का जितना डिमांड रहता है, 1 पैकेट का डिमांड है वीकली या मंथली, तो लोग उतना ही डिमांड करेंगे। ऐसा नहीं है कि सॉल्ट की प्राइस बहुत बढ़ गई तो लोग 10 ग्राम लाएंगे और बिना सॉल्ट का खाना खाएंगे या बहुत कम सॉल्ट डाल के खाएंगे। और ऐसा भी नहीं कि प्राइस उसकी गिर गई है तो ढेर सारे पैकेट खरीद के लाएंगे और ढेर सारा सॉल्ट हर चीज़ में यूज़ करेंगे। द डिमांड फॉर सॉल्ट will remain constant. It means that price elasticity of demand is zero. No change in demand. Whatever is the change in price, either price increases or decreases. The examples are salt, matchbox or candle. The goods which have no close substitutes. However, salt is a basic necessity of life. We may also define perfectly inelastic demand mathematically also. Here the formula is given: price elasticity of demand is equal to percentage change in demand upon percentage change in price. Percentage change in price is 20%, and due to that change in demand is 0%, means no change in demand. So 0 upon 20 is equal to 0. It means that price elasticity of demand is 0. The same thing we can also express in terms of figure. In the figure, as you know that x-axis shows quantity demanded per month or per week or whatever, and y-axis shows price of a commodity. When price is OP, the demand is OM. When price falls from OP to OP1, the demand remains constant, that is OM. So whatever is the change in price, demand remains constant, that is OM. And the resulting demand curve will be vertical parallel to y-axis. So when there is a perfectly inelastic demand, the demand curve will be vertical parallel to y-axis. Now second, relatively inelastic demand. Relatively inelastic demand means elasticity of demand is less than unity, less than 1. It means that quantity demanded changes by a smaller percentage than the price of a commodity. For example, if price of a commodity falls by 40%, demand will increase by 20%. And if price increases by 40%, demand will come down by 20%. It means that change in demand is less than change in price, और चेंज इन प्राइस इज हायर देन द चेंज इन डिमांड. डिमांड का चेंज होना कम है, बढ़ना और घटना कम है एज कंपेयर टू द चेंज इन प्राइस. वी कैन ऑल्सो डिफाइन द सेम थिंग मैथमेटिकली with the help of the formula, and the formula is the same, that is percentage change in demand upon percentage change in price. In our example, percentage change in price is 40%. Due to that, demand changes by 20%. So 20 upon 40, the result is 0.5, means price elasticity of demand is less than 1. We may observe the same thing in the figure. When the price is OP, the demand is OD. When the price falls from OP to OP1, demand increases from OD to OD1. Here we observe that change in price P1 is greater than the change in demand, that is D1D. So we can say that whenever elasticity of demand is less than 1, change in demand is less than the change in price. Now third type is unitary elastic demand. It means that elasticity of demand is equal to 1. When percentage change in quantity demanded is equal to the percentage change in price, elasticity of demand will be equal to 1. For example, if price falls by 20%, demand will increase by 20%. If price rises by 20%, demand will fall by 20%. So change in price and change in demand both are equal. It means that elasticity of demand is equal to 1. We may show it mathematically that percentage change in demand upon percentage change in price. Percentage change in demand is 20% due to change in 20% prices. So 20 upon 20 is equal to 1. It means that price elasticity of demand is equal to 1. You may also observe in the figure that when the price is OP, demand is OD. When the price falls from OP to OP1, demand increases from OD to OD1. Here we observe that change in price, that is P1 is equal to change in demand, that is D1. So when change in price and change in demand both are equal, it means that elasticity of demand is equal to 1. Now come to the fourth type, that is relatively elastic demand. Relatively elastic demand means elasticity of demand is greater than unity or greater than 1. When percentage change in quantity demanded or amount demanded is greater than the percentage change in price, elasticity of demand will be greater than 1. For example, if price falls by 20%, demand increases by 40%. And if price increases by 20%, demand falls by 40%. It means that change in demand, increase and decrease in demand is greater than the change in price. And when this is a situation, we may call it that elasticity of demand is greater than 1. We may show the same thing with the help of mathematics. Elasticity of demand is equal to percentage change in demand upon percentage change in price. In our example, change in demand is 40% due to a change in price of 20%. So 40 upon 20 is equal to 2. It means that elasticity of demand is greater than 1. You may also observe the same thing in the figure. When the price is OP, the demand is OD. When the price falls from OP to OP1, demand increases from OD to OD1. Here you observe that change in price, that is P1 is less than the change in demand D1. So whenever change in demand is greater to a change in price as compared to the change in price, the elasticity of demand will be greater than 1. Now the last type, perfectly elastic demand. It refers to a situation where a slightest change, a minor change in price causes infinite large change in demand. डिमांड में ए सी चेंज होना, बहुत ज़्यादा चेंज आ जाना, ए लार्ज चेंज आना ड्यू टू ए माइनर और स्लाइट चेंज इन प्राइस. Elasticity of demand will be perfectly elastic. For example, if price increases by 0.01%, there will be infinite or large change in demand. Mathematically, we may show that change in demand upon change in price. Here I have given the example that change in demand is 75,000 and change in price is 0.001%. So a minor change in price leads to infinite change in demand, and this happens when the goods are perfect substitutes. If there is a slight increase in the price, the demand will be 0. If there is a slight fall in the price, demand will be infinite. So whatever is the situation, whatever is increase and decrease in price, there will be infinite change in demand. You may also observe in the figure when the price is OD, when the price is OP, at this price, the quantity demanded is infinite and the resulting demand curve is horizontal, parallel to the x-axis. Thank you. Thanks a lot.